Aloha! I'm on a journey to visit every beach in Hawaii, and what better way to start than in Waikiki, where some of the top rated and famous beaches are in the world. In this video, I'll be covering the area located on the island of Oahu in Honolulu, stretching between Kaimana Beach to Kahanamoku Beach. Waikiki wasn't always the high traffic and vacation destination shoreline we see today. Originally, this area was full of fish ponds and wetlands. The name Waikiki means spouting water, referencing the freshwater streams that once ran through this area and sustained the wetlands. Waikiki's calm water provided a rich fishing ground, which made it a popular spot for Hawaiian chiefs and royalty. Later, when tourism started developing and there was higher traffic and more erosion, sand was either taken from other places on Oahu or imported from places like California to widen the beach and create more of a resort feel. Much of what we actually see today is a mix between Oahu sand and imported man-made efforts. The natural sand that's mixed in is coral sand that is white or light tan and formed from eroded coral and seashells. It's very soft, designed for that perfect sunset walk. And we don't really care about the imported sand, but to me it feels more coarse. This beach is very popular because it provides something for everyone. Waikiki is great for laying out in the sun and swimming because of the light waves and limited coral. You'll see some marine life, but I'd recommend other places on the island if your primary goal here is snorkeling. However, this is one of the best spots for beginner surfing or bodyboarding. The waves are pretty consistent most of the year round, 2 to 4 feet, which is ideal for beginners and longboard surfers. I took my first surf lesson out here on Queens Beach and had an excellent time. Just a few spots to reference are the piers to walk out on, the Duke Kahanamoku Lagoon that's great for kids, and some volleyball and pickleball courts. There's a hula show Tuesday and Saturday nights at Kuhio Beach, and Friday night fireworks that can be seen at Kahanamoku Beach, or just west at Ala Moana Beach Park, which I'll cover in a later video. Don't forget to take your picture by the Duke Kahanamoku statue, the father of modern surfing. Enjoy the catamaran boat tours or the Atlantis submarine tour, aquarium, and Honolulu Zoo, all right at these beaches. This is just the first stop on my journey to explore every beach in Hawaii. Because of the large area, rich history, and it being my first video, I wouldn't be surprised if I came back for a part 2 covering some topics I missed. As always, keep it aloha and respect the land, culture, people, and animal life. Stay tuned for my next video on a beach on the island of Kauai. Subscribe to be notified when they're released, and mahalo for watching. Stick around to see some excellent drone footage of Waikiki beaches.